And then check out the new section right here. When tourists come here, but it's best to bargain the price because the price included maybe overpriced. Greetings from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, District 1, Vietnam. I'm right now at the Central Market. There are many shopping and even an underground food court. So now check out address number 4, Pham Ngu Lao. It's open like from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. So for underground shopping, it's good because if it's raining, which is the case now, rainy season in Vietnam, then you can shop without any worries. There's even aircon and toilet and food court. So if you're hungry after your shopping, you can go there and eat. Wow, look at this. Now I just entered the food court. The time is 5:30 p.m. on a Sunday. A lot of food here, international food, from Vietnamese food, Western food, Chinese food, Korean food and Thai food. There are even the fruit juice and pho noodles. And ladies' clothes, men's shoes. Wow, even the accessories here. There's even winter clothes here. As if foreigners like shopping now. 200,000 for ladies' clothes. And even the luggages. Backpacks, caps. And there's another stretch of shopping right here and leads to the food court. And there's a big gym kiosk called the Gym Group. Oh, it's a nice gym. So they have a few names. In front here is Box Concept. At the other side they call it the New Market. But it's basically selling the clothes and stuff usually right here. So you can see the setup is quite nice. There's even Japanese soft cream and cosplay live broadcast. You can actually rent the costumes and then take some photos at the photo booth machines on the left side. So and then we come back to this food court once again. It's called Soho Town. Wow, look at the rotating shoe. I like the fact that a lot of items here just concentrated and located in one underground market, like the cabs, luggage, souvenirs and so more, much more. Actually, I'm coming here to look for a pair of shorts, or maybe 2 pairs. Wow. If you like the hard luggage, you can come here. I don't think they have soft luggage right here. And then there's another section in front we'll be exploring later, so stay tuned guys. And the shop is actually not very big individual shop, but they're enough for basic shopping. So now you see any men's short here. These are the ladies stuff. Just now I saw they say no trying for the 100k and below. Even the cute stuff, the bags.
Màu hồng rồi bắt tay chai nhựa, chai rim.
So 100,000 seems to be the average price for the discount, and a non-discount item is like 200,000 and above. I like this shop, it has many of the souvenirs. I finally found one shop that sells the men's shorts. Hey, they even sell the coffee beans here and the tea. And lots of women's high heel shoes here. There seem to be more like the women's stuff than the men's stuff here. I think it's normal in a shopping mall. Look, the Lalabu toys. I think they are kind of out of fashion nowadays. And a lot of sunglasses. Okay, so there are 3 stores right here selling the men's stuff. Then check out, are there only 3 stores that sell the men's stuff here? I mean the shorts. I'm just curious. Here there is one shop, but no shorts. That is like a bit okay for me. And there's a resting place on the bench there. I like how they make these rotating shoes. Oh, these are really nice handbags and stuff. Yeah, even perfumes, lots of sunglasses. Alright, this another store selling the men's stuff. I'm gonna ask her the price and the design that I wanted. I like to wear the black shorts with 2 zippers on left and right side. But I like the material to be a bit hard for the shorts. Okay, I just asked the staff. They only have the shorts, which is not my type. It's actually too soft and the color is too bright. Winter clothing, shop 108. One good thing about shopping here, you won't really get lost because there are numbers on top of the shops. This is 111.
Có 2 kỳ à?
Hả?
Có 2 kỳ à?
Okay. Shop 99 seems popular. Wow, it's an experience seeing the local and foreigner shop here alike.
Vấn đề là sách lớn.
Một hiệu đó nhưng mà nó nhiều design lắm.
Now, I'm going to have one more round before I determine whether they have the shorts I need. Actually, what I need is a simple pair of shorts that's black color and no design with 2 zips on either side. I don't think that's too much to ask, right? We're exploring this indoor food court in a short while, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so that more people can find the video and watch together. Thanks very much. Look at the big gym, it's so attractive with the blue lights. It's called Gym Bro. They open until like 9 PM every day. The package for 1 month to 1 year. Later I'll check out the price. Now today is Sunday, so many kids and parents come here, even if they live in other districts. But this here is like a downtown central kind of Saigon, so it's very convenient to come here from other places. Alright, some of these shots here. Number 5. This is a Nike. And yeah, but I think it's a bit too soft the material. This is good, but I want it in black. No, this too good to me. Yeah, even cool t-shirts. Saigon. Wow, maybe this should be better because the material is thicker. You know, when you sit on the Grab motorbike, your butt will feel pain if you wear those soft shorts. Alright, I finally found the shorts I wanted. I bought two of them. The price is 120,000 dong for one, so two shorts by 240k in Nam Dong. That was a nice experience shopping here. So now I'm going to check out the food court, Soho Town, where every bite takes you home. Let's go. Now the time is about 6:30 p.m. on a Sunday night, so it's dinner time. I think outside there's some rain, that's why not too many customers. But then you start from here. The first thing I noticed is look at the lights. Now there's a lot of food options from Indian food, Western food, Hong Kong rice noodles. Then we have some BBQ and also Vietnamese snacks, the bánh xèo, the bánh cod. Bánh xèo, as you guys know, is the pancake, right? The bánh cod is a kind of mini pancake with the shrimp on top. Then we have more of the hot pot here. The gum tam broken rice Saigon. And the cool design of the place here. Now there are some pho noodles, sushi, smoothie and juice. The Western food here, the beef stick, burger, and also a ice cream from Japan. Now let's check out the gym package. I saw a piece of paper written on the left side about the prices. Okay, you can buy a day pass for 169,000 Vietnam dong. That is our $5. And then we have the special price for you, 1 month 849,000. 3 months you get one free, so 2.547 million. You buy 6 months, you get 6 months free, then you get 1 year for the price of 5.094k for 5 million. And then you buy 1 year 12 months, they give you another 1 year, so it's 10 million point 118. So it's 10.118k. So it was a nice experience to come here and shop and also experience the Central Market. Hope everyone has a good time and enjoy the video. Subscribe and enjoy the video, and then give a thumbs up so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'll see you guys in my next video, and take care everyone. This is Central Market. Bye.